It's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. When your job calls for muscle, this truck over-delivers. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. V8 engine, gas pressurized shocks, driver selectable mode, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, air conditioning, mirror mounted spotlights, HD suspension, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Of the Silverado 2500 Heavy Duty, Edmunds.com comments, massive towing and hauling capacities, refined and quiet ride, solid build and materials quality, more in-control steering feel than other HD trucks, comfy seats, performance, value, durability, Chevy. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Burt Watson's offers a quick and hassle-free buying experience. We're conveniently located in the Michigan area at 7468 Midland Road.